Today I'm going through the EDEXCEL GCSE Math Paper 1 Foundation for November 2021. So question 16 reads as follows. ABCD is a kite. AB is 4x minus 2 centimeters. Jasper says that x could be 0.5. Explain why Jasper cannot be correct. If we plug in 0.5 into that, we get 4 times by 0.5, which is 2. 2 minus 2 is 0, and then the length cannot be 0. AD equals 3AB. The kite has the perimeter of 64 centimeters. Find the value of x. AD is equal to CD because of a kite, and which is 3 brackets 4x minus 2. So the total is 6 4x minus 2 because it's AD and CD. So I do the 3 times by 2, which is 6. And then 2 4x minus 2 because AB and BC. And then I can combine them because the term in the bracket is the same. So that would be give me A brackets 4x minus 2. Then I can divide by A, which gives me 4x minus 2 equals 8. Then I add 2, 4x equals 10, so x equals 2.5. Like and subscribe.